Hey there, welcome back to Parenting Pro Tips. Are you looking for epic indoor activities to supercharge your family's fun factor? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we have 5 thrilling and unforgettable indoor activities that will turn your home into an adventure playground. Activity 1, our first activity, is an epic scavenger hunt that will have your family exploring every nook and cranny of your home. Get ready for clues, hidden treasures, and endless excitement. Demonstrate setting up a scavenger hunt with clues and hidden surprises. Activity 2. Next up, it's time for a family-friendly talent show. Show off your singing, dancing, or any other special skills you have. Get ready for laughter and applause. Demonstrate creating a stage area, preparing costumes, and performing together. Activity 3. How about a thrilling indoor obstacle course? We'll guide you through creating a challenging and exciting course using furniture, cushions, and household items. Get ready to test your agility and have a blast. Demonstrate setting up an obstacle course and completing it together. Activity 4. Get your creative juices flowing with the DIY craft session. We'll show you how to make awesome crafts using everyday materials. Let your imagination run wild. Demonstrate creating crafts like paper airplanes, sock puppets, or cardboard castles. Activity 5. Time to bring the cinema experience home with a movie night extravaganza. Set up a cozy viewing area, make popcorn, and enjoy a family movie marathon. It's the perfect way to bond and relax together. Demonstrate setting up a comfy movie watching area with blankets, pillows, and snacks. And those were just 5 of the epic indoor activities we have in store for you. Get ready to supercharge your family's fun factor. Thanks for watching and get ready to create unforgettable memories with your family. We'll see you in the next video.